My cat is a big fan of her new toy, if you can't tell. She absolutely loves especially that teaser toy that is right on top. I hope she discovers the little ball that's in there too soon. That's what's making the most noise, kind of that little jingly noise. Oh my goodness. Oh, she's too cute. Now let me tell you a little bit about the toy while she's playing with it. So right off the bat, you'll notice that it is a little bit lightweight. I will say that is something I'm not sure yet how I'm going to feel about it, just because it has been moving around quite a bit as she's been playing with it. It started out like all the way over here and it's migrated its way over there. So just keep that in mind. It is lighter. It's probably not going to stay put very well, especially on hardwood. I'd imagine it would be more difficult there. But overall, this is a toy she absolutely loves. I'm glad there aren't batteries, so she can just play with it whenever she wants, and I don't have to worry about turning it on for her. And as for assembly, it was also very easy. That teaser toy was just inside the base, and so you just pull that out, stick it in the hole. I hear it can be detached, but she's been yanking on it, she's been biting on it, and it hasn't detached. A rougher cat might be able to detach it, she might be able to detach it at some point, but it seems to hold very well. It went in super easily, and it doesn't seem to want to come out easily, so that is definitely a plus. Overall, this is a super cute toy, and my cat absolutely loves it. She's starting to discover that ball, it seems. But yeah, she loves the teaser toy portion of it. Overall, she and I... Oh, there we go, she got the ball. Fun. Okay, yeah, overall, she and I would both highly recommend this toy, and it is just so darn cute. She is obsessed with it.